Are you performing battery health checks on every vehicle that you take in? Well, stick around and learn more in today's Mighty Minute. It's estimated that nearly 25% of the cars that come into your shop every day need a new battery. So that makes doing a battery check on each car that comes in a no-brainer. And while the gold standard for battery testing is the conventional load test, it can be a time-consuming test to perform accurately. And time is something that often we nor our customers have to spend. So an accurate alternative to conventional testing is the use of a handheld electronic battery tester like the DHC RT777 offered by Mighty Auto Parts. This tester performs a rapid dynamic load test on the battery in accordance with industry-preferred testing methods. Begin by minimizing the electrical loads being applied to the battery. Make sure the ignition is off, all accessories are off, and all the doors are closed. Next, connect the test leads to the battery. The connections must be secure, and this tool will not turn on unless the battery connections are correct. Select Battery Test from the test menu, and then select the type of battery you're testing. For accurate test results, make sure you select the right one. Next, select CCA from the Rating Units menu and enter the cold cranking amp rating of the battery that you're testing. Good and Pass means the battery is good and can remain in service. Good and Recharge indicates that the battery is good but needs to be recharged. Don't rely on the vehicle's charging system to bring back a low battery. Modern charging systems are designed to put back in what's been used and no more. In addition, remember that if the battery is slightly discharged, it's going to have a lower potential for starting, and that can come into play as our weather changes. Car might start just fine when it's a nice balmy 70 degrees outside, not so much when the mercury starts to dip towards freezing. Recharge and retest indicates that the battery itself is discharged. With this test result, I'm going to encourage you to remove the battery, charge the battery, and then perform a conventional load test on it. This is going to help eliminate any inaccuracies that might have been caused by the connections or the cables as they attach to the battery, especially on side post designs. Bad and replace means the battery cannot hold a charge and should be replaced. And finally, bad cell and replace. Now, typically, if the state of charge measured by the tool or your voltmeter, for that matter, is reading below 10.5 volts, it's a good indication that there's a bad cell hiding in there somewhere. No amount of charging is going to bring that back from the dead. Using a capable handheld tester like the DHC RT777 makes checking your customer's battery condition quick and efficient. So don't leave them stranded. Perform a battery health check on every vehicle that you service. Thanks for watching.